Wow! Good things do come in small packages. This lovely recently renovated two-bedroom home is just packed with comfort, appeal and freshness. Enter into the delightful new kitchen, with updated custom cabinets, granite countertops and new stainless steel appliances. The open LR Dr. Great room provides lots of space for relaxing and entertaining. Updated bath, new paint and flooring complete the beautiful picture. Enjoy the brand new energy-efficient heating system in the winter and the brand new cost-efficient central air in the summer. There is all new plumbing, including a new hot water heater, as well as updated electric. The full basement with rear and interior access offers endless possibilities. A fenced yard with mature trees to enjoy the outside as much as the inside. Contractors are in the process of completing final touches. Time to pack your bags. This is the home you have been looking for.